All right, second question is like in a webinar, and someone from an iPhone asked, my business was destroyed in Hurricane Helene, no assets left, lots of debt left. I owe about $30,000 in tax debt for 23 and 24. My debt has been turned over to a private collection agency. My only income is Social Security now. No assets, no 401ks, et cetera. Do I have a chance at uncollectible status at 70 years old? Yes. You have an amazing chance. Now, I don't know how much you're collecting from Social Security and how far that goes when it comes to covering your living expenses. But if you're kind of living, benefit check to benefit check, you have a great shot at non-collectible status or CNC. Okay. As a matter of fact, we typically, let me put some context here. If you have somebody who's, they have a job and they have like income potential, right? They might get a raise, they might become like a manager or something. We generally aren't super excited about CNC, current non-collectible status for those folks, because the IRS might kick them out of CNC once they start making more money. For someone on fixed income, like a 70-year-old whose only income is Social Security, no other assets, no assets or 401k or anything, CNC can be amazing, right? Because they get in CNC and then they can stay in CNC until the tax debt drops off and never pay the IRS a penny on this, okay? So iPhone 6, I would say yes. Again, depending on how much Social Security we're talking about and what your monthly living expenses are, right? You have a good shot at CNC at 70 years old, right? It can be an amazing option for you if you qualify. If you want the finality though, because you have no assets, no 401ks, only income on Social Security, in this case, you don't have an asset issue. If you qualify for CNC, you're probably going to qualify for an offer and compromise in this situation as well. Okay, so that's something to consider. Obviously, offer and compromise gives you finality that with CNC you might have to wait, another 6 years. Not 6 years, no. Another 9 years, right, until that 2024 CSET hits to realize. So anyway.